Okay, so I've been working on a forge or kiln or furnace, whatever you want to call it, for the past month or two, and I'm almost done. So it's almost time to fire that bad boy up. Hopefully it don't blow up in my face. It does kind of look like a bomb, but it's a furnace. I've put 2600 degree insulation in it. It should melt damn near anything. So let me show you what I got. There it is. That is a propane tank. Calm down, Jake. There's a propane tank with a big burner, and then you can control the air input by twisting that right there. That'll allow you to get up to higher temperatures. Let me slide that in. Got my neighbor to tack weld it. Put in 4 bolts to make this hug up to the inside of that lid, and that is 2600 degree ceramic insulation. Got 4 of these graphite crucibles and fire brick in the bottom. I believe it'll work. On the internet you see these that are made by Devil Forge, and I was going to order one of them, and I found one for 250 bucks. Looked at the dimensions, and it was like 8 inches tall, 6 inches wide. So I mean, it's more or less a small coffee can for $250. So I kept looking and looking, and I found one that was about this size. Found a dude on the internet, his Big Stack D YouTube channel, and he had one, and I kept looking and found one this size for $1,300. I said, nope, that's okay, you can keep that. So I decided I'd build my own. It turned out it looks probably better than he is, really better than a $1,300 forge. So ain't been fired yet, haven't even been tested yet, so stay tuned for that, because we're gonna fire this bad boy up and get her going. Be able to melt aluminum, lead, whatever I find, more or less copper. I'm hoping to get it up to about 2300 degrees and melt copper bars. Make a bunch of copper bars. That is the goal. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and be making another video here in the future showing this, showing the first firing of this. So, stay tuned. Have a good one.